Okay, now I want to show you how I do my scalps, how I set up for the day. So we have the new day. We know that this was a strong daily candle. So the likelihood of previous day getting swept, there is a high chance of it getting swept. So you had a strong bullish day, it got swept. You had a strong bullish day, it got swept. Same thing applies for the below. We had a strong bearish day, it got swept. So you just need to keep that in mind. So for the day, I'm expecting it to sweep this high. This is to fill the gap, and we have a daily wick down here. So we have the possibility, what we know is the market might want to come all the way from here, might want to come all the way to here to then break this high, or it might want to come all the way down to here to then possibly make a day like that, and then we know that the next day will break this high. So that's just how I mark out for my scalps. Now, if we break it down, so once we know that, that's what we have for the information, we go down to the 4 hour. What's the 4 hour tell me? The 4 hour tells me that this was a weak 4 hour candle. So I'm expecting the bulls in either this 4 hour candle or the next to break this area. Now we did just start the day, so we need to know we did just start the day. We can't really rely on this because this was that day's 4 hour candle. So we could see it go down, come into this zone. So what I would like to see, I'd like to see some buying pressure here. That would be where I'm expecting some buyers to come in. Or we might see it off of the wick down here, which is close to the gap fill. So now we just got to monitor. We want to see some sort of change in either the 4 hour candle. You can do the 1 hour candle, but it won't show you that precise data that you need on the higher time frame. So you see this bearish candle and it gets swept. So what that means is we've had so once they see this, sell orders would be right below. So your sell orders would look like this. And what they would do, they'd mark out the high, the low, that's your 50% zone. You want to try buy in this zone. Well, sorry, not buy, sell in this zone, and then take it to TP1 or TP2. Now we can see that TP1 is the safe zone. So all these sellers that went in here, I believe that they'll be taking profit here, which will cause a bit of a retracement to then possibly even go down to here. But watch for this gap fill because the buyers would start stepping in a lot harder. And that is a support right here. So that's just how I want to mark out for my scalps of the day. There's buyers here. If you're a seller, you can sell here and try take it down to at least this support. But watch out for the daily. That daily is definitely a target. Apart from that, happy trading.